Another fine vehicle offered by ReagorAutoMall.
This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. The durable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a 4-speed automatic transmission, is well suited on the job and on the town. Among the many superb features on this Chevrolet there are a sunroof, a dual-zone climate control system, a CD player, OnStar, a traction control system, and this automobile's stylish design always looks great. This truck won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
ReagorAutoMall is located at 1211 19th Street in Lubbock. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.